appetizing, heavenly, divine.
Halo semuanya, kenalin nama gue Katfu. Gue di sini mau main game namanya Delicious Date, dimana kita tuh ketemu sama orang baru dan kita akan ngedate sambil makan sama mereka. Tanpa basa-basi, yuk kita mulai game aja. With much apprehension and dread, I approached the charming restaurant as if it were the worst place on earth. Why? The worst place on earth? Kenapa? And apparently the worst place on earth had many great 5-star review. Berarti nggak worst place dong. Although I'd never personally dined at the restaurant myself, I want to trust the opinion of my dad. Jadi dia pengen percaya sama pilihan dari orang yang bakal dia kencanin ya. I'm really going on a date right now. Oh fuck. I pushed through the entrance of the bistro, my heart hammering in my chest. The bell signaled the host to greet me with a practiced smile. Kita di-greet sama pelayannya di sini. Welcome. For how many people? 2. Right this way. I fall behind them and start at the back of their shoes, and they guided me to a seat beside a large window. Pemandangan bagus karena di samping jendela gede ya. The interior decor captured the feeling of spring. The walls and furniture were covered by warm colors, exuding a tender atmosphere, while plants hung from the ceiling. Cozy ini tempatnya sih. 12:30 p.m. bistro bell. 12:30 p.m. bistro bell. I'd repeat the words a million times, both consciously and unconsciously, but I still worry that I will forget the details of the date. Kayak gue. Ingat-ingat, takutnya lupa. I checked the time on my phone. It was only 12 p.m. yet I was already seated at the restaurant. Baguslah datang 30 menit lebih awal. Would he be turned off if he saw I was 30 minutes early? Enggak lah. Malah bagus kan? Datang 30 menit lebih awal, harusnya kayak gitu emang. Oh god, it will be a disaster if this ended up giving him the wrong impression of me. Why? Girl, you're weird. My nerves couldn't even handle the idea of going on a date with someone, and now that I was here, I felt nauseous. Ini pasti introvert nih. Introvert kalau mau ketemu orang langsung nek. This is really happening. After days of rejection and being rejected on the course dating apps, I had finally matched with a guy just last week, and a cute one no less. Oh ya? Cute? And days of talking, mostly flirting, have led to this very moment. But I may not make it through the end or the beginning. I think I'm gonna pass out. Belum ketemu coy, jangan pingsan dulu. I flinched at the sound of the bell and the host welcome. I seriously need to chill out. Yes, girl, breathe in, breathe out. For how many people?
Oh, someone's already waiting for me at a table.
What? Wow. Wow. That voice sound familiar. It would speak into my ear at night through the phone. Enak banget ya teleponan sama orang suara kayak tadi. Like now, the sound of my racing heart fill my eardrums.
Looks like they're over there.
The blood rushed from my fingers and the head draining to the top of my head. Wah, aku salting coy. Slow, deep breaths, in and out, in and out. I almost jumped at when a hand split on top of the table, or what? It was a hand. It was actually a black glove with pointed nails. It was just his hands. Must be a fashion statement. Unik sekali ya, fashion statementnya pakai gloves, sarung tangan, ada kukunya.
Hi.
Hi. But the voice was undeniably his. I looked up from the table, which I had forced myself to think was very interesting. The man before me left me frozen and speechless. Boy, you got red eyes. Iritasi kah matanya? Pakai obat tetes mata dong. Pakai itu loh. Install. A pink sweater fit over a white button-up shirt made him appear charmingly sweet. Long bangs swept over one of his eyes while the other was fixated on me, as if I were the center of his world. He greeted me with a wide grin, his sharp canines sticking out of her upper lips. Sexy. Oh no, I'm in deep trouble. He's so cute. There's something wrong with him. Cutesy. Cutesy.
I thought I was the early one. But it looks like you had me beat.
Oh. My mouth felt dry and thick. I clenched and unclenched my fingers that were pressed on my lap. Don't be weird. Just say hi. Say hi. He laughed softly behind a fist.
Hi again.
Oh my god. Salting, mas.
It's nice to finally meet in person.
You're right. It's nice to finally meet in person.
Although...
Why? What? Yeah, why are you looking at me like that, bro? With your irritated eyes? Is your eyes okay? Angel stared at me quite intensely. I tried to restrain myself from fidgeting under his scrutinizing eye. Do I look strange? I triple-checked myself on my punch camera though.
You were so much cuter in person than in the photos you sent me.
Thank you.
I'm tempted to just look at you all day.
Oh, I think you're the cuter one.
Nuh-uh, you're adorable.
Yeah, let's flirt with each other.
And you can't change my mind. Can I tell you a secret?
Apa?
I've been so nervous about this date ever since we agreed to it. And now that you're here right before me, it's only gotten worse.
Oh my god, the love. Ketawanya imut sekali.
You already have this effect on me. Imagine what you'll do to me throughout the day.
What are we gonna do? That's quite far-fetched, to be honest. I also feel the same way. I'm affecting you. Ayo kita flirty sama dia. I was so nervous about meeting you.
Oh, how about now?
Still nervous?
Me too. That means we can't stop thinking about each other, doesn't it?
Oh my god. Even though Angel said he was nervous, his flirtation made me feel otherwise. I thought he was swift before in his text, but this is on another level. I'm loving it. Just like our previous conversation on the pond, I was drawn to him.
Oh, how inconsiderate of me. I never asked how you were doing. I kept babbling about myself and forgot to take care of my date. It's the nerves getting to me.
Ya, Mas lagi nervous. Suaranya bikin nervous. Seeing him like this makes me want to tease him a little bit. This is entertaining, just relax. I don't think it is nervous. This is entertaining.
You like it when I fumble?
I won't word it like that, but it is reassuring that you're not perfect.
I can be the imperfect man for you, if that's your type.
Just be yourself, silly. Maybe it helped release some of the tension as his shoulders slightly relax.
Seeing you act like this is quite surprising. And alluring.
Alluring, you say? There was a wild gleam in his eye and wonder whether I had made a mistake or if I had success instead. Yet both possibilities felt thrilling. Girl, you up to some challenge. I'm either going crazy or I'm actually this lonely. Can be both. Yeah.
Have you taken a look at the menu yet?
Can I look at you instead? No, I was waiting for you. It's a date after all. We should do things together.
You're absolutely correct. Let's order together then.
Let's order together then.
I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything before this.
Ya kan kita mau
I could
makan.
devour everything on the menu.
Why are you looking at me? Why are you looking at me? It's like you're gonna eat me, bro. When he spoke those words, his one visible eye seemed to be staring at me, but with his bangs in the way, it was hard to tell. Ya, mata merah menyala menatap ke diri ini. Shaking that thought away, I scanned the items on the menu. When the waiters came to our table, she wrote down our choice and left, but not before her gaze lingered on Angel. A twinge of possession caused me to glare at the waitress back. Angel smiled at me, unaware of the short-lived dark feeling I had felt a few seconds ago. Oh my god, that smile. That damn smile. There is definitely something going on with me.
Hey, baby.
Oh, hey, baby. Yeah,
You answered me. That makes me so happy.
I'm happy you call me a baby too.
I finally have your attention. Maybe baby isn't the right term for you.
Oh yeah, what are you gonna call me?
How about dear? Sweetie? I think Sweetie might suit you better. You look so sweet and cute.
Thank you. Again, pelting me with compliments. Oh my god. Yeah, I like it. It's unbelievable coming from Angel. That's very nice of you to say. You keep describing yourself. Yeah, let's part with him. I should learn lesson for self-love. I should learn lesson of self-love from you.
You're kidding, right? Just look at you.
Look at me.
Especially in that outfit of yours. Knowing that you wore it for me sends butterflies to my stomach.
We're logging together.
Now I'm feeling a bit self-conscious of my own appearance. Maybe I should have chosen something better to wear.
But you already look handsome tau. Kamu sudah kelihatan ganteng coy. Tapi matamu merah itu, yakin gak mau berobat kah? Is he humble bragging at this point? You look presentable, but your wearing is fine, you look presentable.
Thanks, I tried. Still, I would have liked to make an excellent impression on you.
Yeah, he has to be joking. He's fucking adorable in that pink sweater. I want to rip it off of him, snuggle into it, wow, rip it off? In a wet way. In what way? It looked really soft. Was it cashmere, cotton, or wool? Whichever it was, Angel seemed very comfortable in it. I banished the fantasy of wrapping myself around his torso and curling up with him in his sweater. Wow, must be warm. Pasti hangat sih.
I hope I haven't disappointed you.
Nah, you're not. That's my line. I might be disappointing you.
Sweetie, you could never disappoint me.
Yeah?
How can you be so lovable? If we had never agreed to meet in real life, I wouldn't have found out this part of you. It's nice to witness the real you. I'm happy we're here together.
That was really moving and we are somewhat different. Has anyone ever told you that you are good with words?
None so far. Maybe you should be the first one to tell me I'm good.
Such a good boy. There you go. You're doing it again. Angel only laughed at that. The waiters returned with our food. Once he left, I immediately turned my focus to the dish before me.
Wow. It looks delicious.
You look delicious.
But there's something that's even better.
Yeah. Yeah, bro, why are you looking at me like that, bro? Which is? Angel took a minute to contemplate his response.
I'll show you some other time. Instead, do you want to try mine?
Angel lifted a spoonful of his food and aimed it towards me. The gesture left me shocked and bewildered. OMG! Buffet.
How is it? Good?
Yeah. I'm so sorry, I can't taste a thing. Karena lu di layar. Lu di layar. My nerves has gotten rid of my sense of taste. Oh, kasihan sekali. MC, are you okay? It's delicious. Angel's mouth widened into a proud smile, then he opened his mouth, unexpected eye gazing at me. No, daring me. I feed him. I poked a piece of my food with a fork and offered it to him. Angel closed his lips around the portion of food. My eyes were mesmerized by its soft plumpness, following his mouth even when he retreated back to his seat. Oh my god, begone, dirty toes! I tried to recollect myself despite my heart pounding wildly against my chest.
Just as I thought. Delicious.
He licked his lips, his eyes staring at me as he did so. This is getting dangerous.
Don't be shy to ask for more of mine, sweetie. I'm always happy to share it with you.
Feed me, feed me. I wonder if this will be feeding me.
Wow, that made my heart skip a beat. I can feed you all the time.
Oh my god. An awkward silence settled between us. The only sounds were the clinking of our utensil against the dishes and the noise outside of our filing, intimate babble. Angel's being the one was driven the conversation so far. I should say something first this time. But what should I say? As what does he does for fun? Compliment him as if he's dead anyone. Compliment him. Hey Angel,
Yeah?
you are doing awesome. I suppressed the urge to give him 2 thumbs up after the awkwardness forced me to blurt out my dumb prize. And yet, Angel gave me the most brilliant smile I hadn't seen before. His cheeks reddened into a deep hue, and he looked down at his plate wistfully.
Wow. Oh, wow. Thank you. That means a lot to me.
Oh my god, voice actor has a bill to pay.
I know I'm parroting my words, but I'm having a lot of fun today.
I'm having fun too.
Despite my prior anxiety, being with you over time has melted away the worries. You turned out to be my soothing bell.
Aww. Shooting bell? Never heard of that one before.
I'm creative.
You certainly have a quirky way of saying things.
So, you have been paying attention to me. Yay.
Yay!
I'm very happy. I think there might be a connection between us.
Why?
You feel the same way?
My god. He dipped his chin and looked up at me like a puppy waiting for his owner to tell him what a good boy he was. Good boy! Good boy. It's still too early to tell, I don't know. That's... I wanna say that, yeah, it's still too early to tell, I don't know. That's because we should get to know each other a little more.
Are you proposing we go on another date?
Yeah, let's go to another date.
Look at me!
Ah. Hold on, that's not what I mean. Seriously? Does he only hear what he wants? Whatever, since we're on the topic now, I think I'd like a second date.
I do too! Where should we go? What should we do?
Oh my god, so cute.
I'm happy to do whatever as long as it's with you.
So adorable. His eagerness is quite infectious. I found myself mirroring his goofy smile. Was that Angel's stomach growling? It sounded pretty monstrous. Yeah, monstrous. Yang di depan lo kayak juga bukan orang sih.
Sorry, I'm still hungry.
Pesan lagi lah. You can order some more if you'd like.
I would, but I want to eat something else.
Yeah, eat what? It's me?
I have no desire for the stuff on the menu now.
Is there some place else you want to go to? He steadied his gaze on me. There was something predatory about how he looked at me. It ignited my body, and I couldn't help but scream under his eye, wanting to hide. He licked his upper lip and smiled.
I feel incredibly lucky to have met you. You're so cute. I really want to eat you up.
Secara harfiah? In what way? Kita sana make it you up. I don't think I'm that doctor.
Is that a promise?
No, it wasn't.
I would have loved it if it was.
Aww.
You are truly the best choice for me. You're just so appetizing, heavenly, divine.
My god. Wow, those are some very exaggerated qualities. Oh, gimana sih cara nyebut ini? What the? Did you see that
See what?
in a Blingon? Was I imagining it?
Is something the matter?
Kenapa ya mas? Biasanya sebentar like, oh, prefer for a second. Iya.
Something we have in common.
Our conversation fell into a lull while we digested our food. Angel, however, kept rubbing his palm against his neck as his eyes shifted from my face to the space beside me. What is it, Angel? It seems like you have something to say.
This might sound really weird to say on our first date, but may I devour you?
In what way? Excuse me? Angel had a way to catch me off guard, but this time his unexpected question stunned me motionless. I was very much baffled. I'd like an explanation.
You're right, I should have explained myself first. Now I've made myself look like a total creep.
A shadow fell over his face, causing my body to tense up in alert.
To be clear with you, I want to feast upon you.
Damn.
Gobble you up, flesh and bone. Savor your sweet, addictive flavor on my tongue. From the moment I saw you, I knew I needed you against my lips.
Against my lips. Kissing. That's a really good joke. I cannot want to do the same to you. Totally sounds really hot. I cannot want to do the same to you. Kinda. Is that weird?
Excuse me? You want to eat me?
Why? You want to eat me first.
You're amazing. But I can show you something really amazing.
The space around us drained of color and lively activity as though life itself had been siphoned away, leaving behind a haunting stillness. The soft hum of conversation dissolved into eerie silence. Shadow crept across the floor, distorting the shapes of familiar objects, twisting them into something grotesque and unrecognizable. What I thought had been a warm, bustling restaurant just moments ago was nothing more than a sinister illusion. No, it was a trap all along. And the mastermind behind it, who had once smiled so sweetly to me across the table, revealed the sickening truth with a cold, knowing grin. The smooth, warm-colored walls now stood cracked and dull. The windows, once gleaming, were coated in dust, obscuring any view of the outside world. The tables that had been set so neatly were now stained, chipped, and weathered as if left to rot for years. The thick air squeezed my lungs and tightened my throat, leaving me struggling to breathe. The reality of it all closed in, suffocating me. My body swayed, ready to collapse. Angel's figure began to shift, twisting and warping, until what sat across me was no longer human. You look hotter this way, tapi nggak seserem itu ternyata ya. The monster at me with a frigid gaze, as if analyzing my terror. How and when did this happen? Maybe it had occurred the moment we connect on the stupid dating app. Was that also Predator Midnight? I didn't know what was real and false anymore. In the end, everything was a lie portrayed by Angel's illusion, and I fell for it. Yah! Voice acting-nya hilang! Do you understand what's happening now? Fuck. Can't persuade him to let me go, but how should I do it? Flirt my way out? That sounds like a terrible idea. No. We can try, but I had to try something, yes. Sweetie, there is a limit to how much I can indulge you. Although I would find your naivety cute in any other instance, I'm too hungry to listen to reason. But I'm not unkind, and I do have a bit of an attachment to you. I'll give you an opportunity to beg for your life. Can you hit me gently, disgusting? Help you instead. Gently. Maybe you can help. Help me? How do you intend to do that? Sweetie, you're cute, but I do wonder what goes on inside your head of yours. I can help you find someone that does this better than me. Why do you think you're sitting before me right now? I've already found the most exquisite delicacy. Sure. Are you sure? Don't underestimate me. I can attract people if I try. I mean, I did attract you. Yes, a monster, not a person. Oh my god. Same thing, don't you think? You've certainly given me a reason to mull things over. Lucu banget, voting gitu dia. This was supposed to be easy, and now it's not. Is love this complicated? Maybe? His sudden dilemma was an opening. This was the opportunity to strike. May I make a final appeal? Yes, go ahead, sweetie. I advise you, however, to speak carefully. Thanks. What should I say? I had to be cautious and thoughtful of my next words. My life depends on it. You like me this way? Why? Why reporting, bro? Normally humans are attracted to other humans, so I try to replicate my mortal skin to your desires. But it appears that I was incorrect about your type. Desperation made us do stupid things. It's not stupid, bro. In my hopeless madness, I attempt to be formal, career, and kiss him. I stood up and leaned across the table. As I inched my face closer to his monstrous one, a single thought occurred to me. How the fuck do I kiss him? Just kiss him. Kiss the teeth. I closed my eyes and hovered uncertainly over where his lips should be. Though there were none, only teeth. Ya nggak apa-apa, giginya aja. Very large, sharp teeth that he wanted to use on me. Gigi leherku. I planned a quick kiss that barely touched his skin, but he felt it. He had to. I opened my eyes and a singular pupil stared back at me. I was trying to. I feel heat radiating off of him. Sweetie, you naughty thing. A kiss on the first date already? You move so fast. This isn't good. I may become addicted. Angel steady air regarded me thoughtfully while his posture relaxed into what looked like a defeat. He said, accepting his loss. No, don't change back! Ah! His wings glided into his back until they disappeared as his monstrous form shrunk, returning to the human host that I once admired. Now that the rose-colored lens were shattered, I could perceive all the abnormalities of his body. Yeah, girl. Why do I still think he's cute? Cute kok. There was something messed up about me. I have to admit, I would miss you terribly if you weren't alive to accompany me. The death was pleasant, and I wasn't lying when I thought you were incredibly adorable. Especially when your cheeks turn pink after I compliment you. Like, what they're doing right now. I'm not blushing. And you snickered at that. A charming sound to my ears that caused my rosy cheeks to redden more. Gue mau denger suara dia snickering. I'll prove you wrong in ways you can comprehend. I'll help you find many things about yourself that you didn't know. What you enjoy or fear, what you hate and love. I can fight for many more dates with you. But if you can satisfy my heart more than my stomach, I'll have to tear you apart. Ending? Ending. Love. Lope-lope. You're disgusting. I'm sorry for making you feel that way. If it's any consolation, I do feel connected to you, both in heart and stomach. I don't want your heart and stomach. You want me so. Nice, keep hurting. Do you enjoy seeing me in pain? In this particular instant, the idea of having power over a monster was exciting. But I would never tell him that. I'm grateful that you can be hurt. There was a mischief twist of Angel's mouth when he laughed darkly at my response. That was an indirect answer. You certainly give me a reason to mull things over. This was supposed to be easy, and now it's not. Is love this complicated? His sudden dilemma was an opening. This was the opportunity to strike. May I make a final appeal? Yes, go ahead, sweetie. I advise you, however, to speak carefully. Thanks. What should I say? I had to be cautious and thoughtful of my next words. My life depended on it. Are you sure you won't miss me? Like you said, I'm the best choice. Once you eat me, it's over. You won't find anyone else like me. You're wrong, sweetie. You'll always be with me, in my stomach. Hahaha. Fuck my life. Desperation made us do stupid things. In my hopeless madness, I attempt to make Formal cry, run, kiss him. Let's run. My inner voice was telling me to flee, but one look from Angel stunned me in place. I am scared to kill me right away if I run, because he could do it. Shaking, my body stayed in its seat. Humans are driven by the impulse to flee, fight, or freeze in a dangerous situation. Your body has betrayed you, yet don't fault it for its impulse. I can help you remove your earthly form. No longer will you be tied to the mortal burden of living. You shall be free of all hardship. Oh dear, it's my stomach again. It's telling me we've wasted enough time. Wait, please. The next moment was a blur. 1 second, Angel was seated across from me. The next, he moved with a speed beyond comprehension. My mind couldn't catch up to what was happening. There was no time to react, no chance to process the horror unfolding before me as Angel raised his clawed hands and swiped. The world collapsed as I fell backward, wrapped in darkness, bearing teeth and wings. I felt nothing, no pain and no panic, except a cold emptiness and warm liquid flowing around me. The light dimmed from my vision until an angel with a grotesque, gaping jaw appeared in front of me, ready to consume my body and soul. The mom! Oh, sweetie, every word and action of yours has proved to me that you are the right choice. Your taste is an ecstasy, my stomach is filled, and my hunger is greatly satisfied. You feel my love for you, my delicious dad. The mom. Ending. Fish. Oke, kita akan coba cari ending lain, dimana di sini kita kan udah pilih second date, terus juga pilih stop seeing each other, terus kita malah dimakan. Sekarang kita coba di sini pilih jadi temannya dia.
Just friends. I don't think I can do that. But if that's what you really want, we can certainly try being friends first, then lovers later.
Friends to lovers was not what I was asking. Was that angel's stomach growling? It sounded pretty monstrous.
Sorry, I'm still hungry.
Ya, kita skip dulu. Keep this up and make you up. I don't think I'm like.
Is that a promise?
No, it wasn't.
I would have loved it if it was. You are truly the best choice for me.
Okay. Must have been a trick of
These
the light.
lights are rather bright. We'll get out of here soon.
Our conversation fell into a lull while we digested our food. Angel, however, kept rubbing his palm against his neck as his eyes shifted from my face to the space beside me. Kita skip dulu. That's really good job. It sounds really hot.
What? I mean, what?
What?
I'm being serious, sweetie. I want to eat you. No, I will eat you.
I want to eat you. So we go to a hotel or something. Girl. So we go to a hotel or something? It's still fairly early though.
Maybe this will be proof enough.
Oke. Ini udah. Oke, kita skip dulu. Soalnya ini udah. Do you understand what's happening now? Fuck. Can I persuade him to let me go? But how should I do it? Force my way out? That sounds like a terrible idea, but I had to try something. Sweetie, there is a limit to how much I can indulge you. Although I won't find your naivety cute in any other instance, I'm too hungry to listen to reason. But I'm not unkind, and I do have a bit of an attachment to you. I'll give you an opportunity to beg for your life. Maybe I can help you instead? Help me? How do you intend to do that? Sweetie, you are cute, but I do wonder what goes on inside that head of yours. I can help you find someone that does this better than me. Why do you think you are sitting before me right now? I've already found the most exquisite delicacy. Don't underestimate me. I can attract people if I try. I mean, I did attract you. Yes, a monster, not a person. Same thing, don't you think? You've certainly given me a reason to mull things over. This was supposed to be easy, and now it's not. Is love this complicated? His sudden dilemma was an opening. This was the opportunity to strike. May I make a final appeal? Yes, go ahead, sweetie. I advise you, however, to speak carefully. Thanks. What should I say? I had to be cautious and thoughtful of my next words. My life depended on it. I really like you, Angel. I don't want to be separated from you. Is that so? His bark of laughter made my body tremble, ghost flesh rising on my arms. Be careful what you wish for, sweetie. Desperation made us do stupid things. In my hopeless madness, I attempted to run. My inner voice was telling me to flee, but one look from Angel stunned me in place. I'm scared. Would he kill me right away if I run? Because he could do it. Shaking, my body stayed in its seat. Humans are driven by the impulse to flee, fight, or freeze in a dangerous situation. Your body has betrayed you, yet don't fault it for its impulse. You must master your body, then you'll be able to control it. As if you know what's best for me. Perhaps I do. I can change into different forms, manipulate people with my looks, and eat as much as I need. Become a monster like me, and you'll be in common. Angel tapped a pointed finger against his cheek while watching me in contemplation. I felt his gaze, not wanting to engage with the monster anymore. He's probably thinking of where he should eat me first. A deep dread fell in the pit of my stomach when I realized that I had come to accept this fate. Alright. After a minute of uncomfortable silence, I jumped in my seat when he spoke again. I've decided, against my better judgment, that you shall be my companion. You may be useful alive, although the desire to eat you will never cease. Do you accept? Yes! Did I accept this chance to live? Yes! yes! Angel's smile sent a shiver down my spine, but I reflected it innocently, unaware of the dark, cold path he had set for me. Excellent! What a well-behaved pet I have. Brooke, we become his pet. Malah jadi peliharaannya. Parah banget. Enggak, kita bukannya teman. Kenapa jadi peliharaan, coy? Gila. Oh. I trust you will bring me the most delicious food, or you shall take their place on the plate. Profit and enrich me as if you love me, and I will do the same. My eternal butcher for my everlasting appetite. Ya, jadi tukang butchernya dia. Ending. Monstrous companion. Ya, jadi companionnya dia. Oke, itu aja sih. Berarti kita udah dapet 3 ending. Love, Fish, sama jadi Monster's Companion. Ini game bagus banget sih. Gila, voice actingnya itu keren banget. Voice actingnya bikin dak-dikduk. Bagus banget pokoknya. Terus juga banyak choice-nya juga ya. Pas denger suaranya dia tuh rasanya pengen gua kasih cincin gitu kan dan jarinya dia gitu biar kita bisa nikah. Terus apa ya, cuman sayang banget pas jadi monster nggak ada suaranya sih. Padahal kalau misalnya dia ada suaranya dan suara growling gitu kayak bakalan waduh keren banget ya. Oke deh, sampai di sini aja kalau gitu. Makasih yang udah nonton video pertama aku di sini ya. Jangan bosan-bosan kalau misalnya ada yang mau dibahas gitu boleh di kolom komentar. Jangan lupa subscribe. See you next time guys.